What's up everybody? Welcome to Quick Tip Sunday, a new series of quick videos showing you how to improve your models with very simple techniques. Today, it's about how to make air ducts for racing vehicles. You will need wire, any fine gauge will do. In this case I'm using a 0.5mm solder for electronics. Heat shrink tube of the right diameter, a heat source, either a lighter or torch or a heat gun, and a round stick or rod of the right size to serve as a master. First, we will wrap the wire around the rod, as many bindings as length we need. Just leave a piece of the solder straight. After that, we separate the rod and the binding and set the desired separation between the binds and the coil. Take the shrinking tube and put the coil into it, leaving the straight section of the coil outside the tube. With the heat source, heat the tube until it's fully wrapped around the wire coil. And while it's warm, shape it to the desired shape. We must hold the shape for a little while until it's cold. Blowing on it will speed the cooling. When it's cold, it will harden. Do not worry if the shape is not right at the first try, as you can heat the tube again and reshape it. Just be careful not to overheat it, as it will burn and deform the heat shrink tube. Once the shape is right and the tube is cold, just pull the straight tip of the wire to take it out of the tube. And there you have it, a brand new air duct ready to prime and paint. I hope this quick tip is useful to you all. Please share, like and subscribe. Ciao for now!